So hey guys, this is the portfolio project that we picked up this week. Just outside of Raleigh, about 45 minutes outside of Raleigh. And these are the 10 little houses that we will be renovating. You can't see, but there's a couple more back behind these trees. They're just on the other side of the tree line. And each one of them is in various states of disrepair. This one right here is actually in the best shape inside. They all look about the same on the outside. Let's see, then we come around to the other two. These two are the larger units that we are buying. They're about 100 square feet bigger, but they actually feel quite a bit bigger than the ones on the right side of the street. There's one over here. So I hope you follow us as we work through these crazy rental houses that we've picked up and try to make them livable and sustainable for new families. This guy right here is, it's this one. This one is the worst one. This one we're probably going to have to gut it down. And I'll show you that soon enough. Talk to you soon. Bye.